Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Dulce de leche, otherwise known as condensed milk. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. I have got my pot with boiling water and I'm going to make sure the cans are covered the whole entire time. I'm going to cook them for 4 hours to make sure they're nice and caramelized inside. So make sure they're always covered with water, otherwise you don't want an explosion in the kitchen. Okay, so I'll come back in 4 hours and show you what I got. I also forgot to mention, once it starts fully boiling, I turn it down to a soft simmer or a low simmer. Just topping up the water. I've topped it up a few times, but have it on a steady simmer. 4 hours is nearly up. Okay, it's been 4 hours. Now I'm just going to turn off the heat and I'm going to let them cool completely before I pour the water out and open up the caramel. Okay, I'm about to open the caramel after it's cooled. Wow. Yum. Oh. How good is that? How good is that? So there you go, there's my caramel. Look how good it turned out. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!